This new year presents an opportunity to refresh your home's interior, starting with your windows. Custom window shades, blinds, and shutters do more than fill a frame. They are tailored to your specific windows, your light preferences, and your home's unique style. Homes in Cochrane vary in age and design. Standard coverings from big box stores rarely match the exact size or function your windows demand. Custom solutions fit precisely and operate smoothly. In Alberta's climate, window treatments also play a role in comfort. Properly fitted shades and shutters help manage light and temperature shifts through summer and winter. Custom cellular shades and adjustable shutters offer control across seasons. Blinds remain a versatile option with adjustable slats for light and privacy control. Shutters provide a permanent architectural feature, and modern shades offer a clean, contemporary look that complements a range of interiors. Starting the year with window treatments that fit your home can enhance how you experience every room. To explore custom solutions designed for your space, visit our website or contact us to book a consultation.